Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk Walk English, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Bella.
Hello to you, Bella, and a huge hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in from everywhere. It's absolutely great to be here with you.
It really is, Jimmy. Tell me, how are you doing today? You seem very happy.
I am happy, thanks. I had an extremely productive morning. I got so many things checked off my list.
Ooh, a productive morning. I love those. What did you get done?
Well, I went to the supermarket, I took the dog for a walk, and I stopped by the bank.
The bank, Jimmy, that is perfect.
Perfect. Why would going to the bank be perfect? It's usually a bit boring, isn't it?
Well, maybe a little boring, yes, but it's perfect because that is actually our topic for today.
You're kidding. Really?
Yes, today we are discussing everything related to the bank.
Wow, that is a fantastic coincidence. The bank is so important for everyday life.
It really is. Everybody needs to visit the bank, and sometimes we need to have the right English words for it.
We certainly do. It can feel a bit intimidating to talk about money in a language that isn't your first.
Exactly. But don't you worry, we are here to make it all easy and simple.
We absolutely are. But Bella, before we swing open the bank doors, we have a quick favor to ask our listeners.
Yes, we do. If you're getting value from our podcast, please take just 1 second to hit that like button.
Yes, give us a big thumbs up. It helps us out a whole lot.
And please subscribe to Talk Walk English. We wouldn't want you to miss any of our fun episodes.
And share it. Share this with your friends, your family, your coworkers. Let's all learn English together.
Yes. Thank you all so much. We genuinely appreciate it. Okay, Jimmy, I am ready. Let's head to the bank.
Let's do it. So, why do we actually go to the bank?
Good question. We go there to keep our money safe.
Yes, the bank is a secure place for our money. We don't want to hide all our cash under the mattress.
No, that is not a smart idea. The bank is much better. So the very first thing we need at a bank is an account.
An account, yes. It's like your own personal box at the bank.
Exactly. It's the place your money lives. And there are 2 main types of accounts.
Oh, 2 types. What are they?
The first one is called a checking account.
A checking account. All right, what is that one for?
A checking account is for your everyday use, for your daily life.
Ah, I get it. So, when I buy my coffee or get groceries at the supermarket, I'm using money from my checking account.
Yes, precisely. It's for the money you spend frequently.
Okay, that's straightforward. And the second type?
The second type is a savings account.
A savings account. Ah, we have talked about saving before.
Yes, we did. A savings account is for money you want to hold on to for a long time, like the money for my new bicycle.
Exactly, or for an upcoming vacation, or just for emergencies. I understand. Checking is for today, savings is for the future.
Perfect. Jimmy, you are a fast learner.
Why, thank you. So I want to open an account. What do I need to do?
You need to go to the bank and talk to someone. You can say, "Hello, I would like to open an account, please."
I would like to open an account, please. That is a very useful phrase.
It is. And they are going to ask you for a few things.
What kind of things?
They will need your ID.
My ID? You mean like my driver's license?
Yes, or your passport. Something that has your photo and your name on it.
Okay, I always have my ID. What else?
They might also need your address, where you live.
That's easy. I know where I live.
Good. And then you will have to fill out a form.
Oh, I know what that is. A form. It's a piece of paper with lots of questions. Name, address, phone number.
Yes, that's the one. You write your information on the form.
And at the end, I have to write my name.
Yes, that is called your signature. You sign the form.
Ah, my signature. That makes it official.
Exactly. As soon as you sign, congratulations, you have a bank account.
Hoo-hoo! I have an account. Now I need to put money into my account.
Good idea. When we put money into the bank, we call that a deposit.
Oh, deposit. Okay.
Yes, you can say to the bank worker, I would like to make a deposit, please.
I would like to make a deposit. I'm putting money in.
Perfect. But what if you need money? What if you need cash for the weekend?
Ah, yes, I need to take money out. When we take money out, we call that a withdrawal.
Withdrawal. That is a longer word.
It is a bit trickier to pronounce. Withdrawal.
Withdrawal. Okay, so I can say, I would like to make a withdrawal, please.
Yes, or even simpler, I would like to take out some cash, please.
Take out cash. That is much easier. I like that one.
Simple is good. Who is the person I speak to at the bank? The one behind the glass window?
That person is called a teller.
A teller, like they tell me things?
Maybe, but they help you with your money. They accept your deposits and give you your withdrawals.
Okay, the bank teller. They are usually quite friendly.
Yeah, they are. But Jimmy, sometimes the bank is closed.
Oh no, it's 8 p.m. and I need cash for pizza. What do I do?
Don't panic. You can use the ATM.
Ah, the ATM. I love the ATM. It's like a robot bank.
Yes, it's a robot bank. It's open 24 hours a day. What does ATM stand for?
It means automated teller machine.
Automated teller machine. Oh, so it really is a robot teller.
Exactly. You need two things to use the ATM.
I know this one. I need my bank card.
Yes, your plastic card. And one more thing, a secret thing.
Ooh, a secret. My PIN number.
Yes, your PIN, usually 4 digits. Only you know it.
Yes, I never tell anyone my PIN. It is top secret.
Very good. Never share your PIN.
So, at the ATM, I insert my card.
Yes, you put your card into the machine.
Then I enter my PIN number. Beep, 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 beep.
Beep. Precise sound effects, Bella.
Thank you.
And then I select what I want, usually withdraw cash.
Yes, you choose the amount of money you want. $20, $50, $100?
And then magic. The machine gives me money.
It is like magic. Just don't forget to take your card back.
Oh, yes, that is very important. Never leave your card in the machine. Bella, what happens if you lose your card?
Oh no, that is a horrible feeling. I lost my card once. I was so stressed.
It can be scary, but if you lose your card, you have to call the bank immediately.
Yes, right away. You have to tell them, I lost my card.
They will cancel your card so that no one else can use it.
That's good. It keeps my money safe.
Yes, safety is the #1 priority at the bank.
I have another question.
Sure, Bella. What is it?
I'm going on vacation soon to Europe.
Wow, Europe. That is so exciting.
It is. But in Europe, they don't use my country's money. They use euros.
That's right. You need a different currency.
Currency. That's the word for money from different countries.
Yes, dollars, euros, pounds, yen. These are all different currencies.
Can I get euros at my bank?
Usually, yes. You can exchange money at the bank.
Exchange. Like I give them dollars and they give me euros.
Exactly. You swap one currency for another.
That is very helpful. I will definitely go to the bank before my trip.
Good plan. You can say, I would like to exchange some money, please.
I would like to exchange some money. Okay, I'll remember that. Jimmy, do you use online banking?
Online banking? You mean the bank on my computer?
Yes, or on your phone.
Oh, yes. I use the app on my phone constantly. It is very convenient.
It's amazing, isn't it? You don't even need to go to the actual bank building.
No, I can check my balance right on my phone.
Ah, good word, balance. What is that?
The balance is the amount of money I have in my account right now.
Yes, it's always good to know your balance before you buy that expensive pizza.
Yes, I check my balance, I see I have money, and then pizza time.
You can also pay your bills with online banking.
Yes, I pay my electricity bill and my internet bill right on the app. It's so fast.
It saves so much time. No paper, no stamps.
I love technology. It makes banking so much easier.
It really does. But going to the actual bank is still nice sometimes.
Yes, I like speaking with the tellers. They're very helpful people.
They are. If you have a question or a problem, it's good to talk to a real person.
Exactly. So, we learned a lot of good words today. Let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Great idea, Jimmy. Let's review.
Okay, the place we keep our money is the,
Bank.
and my personal money box at the bank is my.
Account.
Perfect. If I want to put money in, I make a.
Deposit.
And if I want to take money out, I make a.
Withdrawal.
Very good. The robot machine that gives me cash is the.
ATM.
And the secret number for my card is my.
PIN.
Wow, I think I get an A+ on the bank quiz.
Hooray! Thank you, Professor.
These words are so useful. I feel much more confident now.
Me too. It's nice knowing the correct words.
Bella, before we wrap up, do you prefer using cash or your card?
That is a tough question. I think I prefer my card. It's just easier to carry.
I agree. I usually use my card, but sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of cash in my pocket.
Yes, for small things like a coffee or the bus.
Exactly. It's good to have both.
Well, Jimmy, I think it's time to close the bank for today.
Yes, the bank is officially closing. We hope this episode helps you feel more comfortable going to the bank in English.
Yes, don't be afraid. The people at the bank are there to help you.
Just remember your keywords: account, deposit, withdraw. You will be just fine.
Absolutely. You can do it.
Now, we have a question for you, our wonderful listeners.
Yes. Please tell us in the comments section, do you prefer to use cash or do you prefer to use your card?
Ooh, good question. Cash or card? Let us know what you like to use. We love reading your answers. It is fantastic practice for your English writing.
It is. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode.
And share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful day and happy banking.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye for now.